February 12th is the start of tax season, and the IRS will begin accepting tax returns electronically this year, so you can expect some changes. Financial professional Cameron McCarty, president of Vivid Tax Advisory Services, is here with some great tips as we get ready for tax season. All right, we know people are eager to file in hopes of getting that tax return soon. So, where should we get started this year?
Yeah, well, first off, we got to get organized. So I would get jumping on this. Now, the big thing I want to mention, Jackie, is a lot of people that did not receive their stimulus check, they will get it if they qualify for it in the form of a refund. Now that's important because, again, it's not going to be like an actual check when it actually happened. It'll be in the form of a refund. Now, for those of you that may owe in some taxes or have some form of a tax liability, that stimulus apply towards your tax liability. So just know it's not going to be in the form of a check. It could be a refund or help pay for some of your taxes.
All right. I know the stimulus check is one of the big questions people are asking, and you mentioned that. How about unemployment? As many had to file for that during the pandemic. How is that going to impact our taxes?
Sure. Yes, unfortunately, there's a lot of people that did not withhold taxes. And so we've already gotten the game with tax season, and people are starting to get shocked a little bit, finding out that, oh, I didn't withhold taxes on my unemployment. Unfortunately, that is taxable, reportable income. So again, I hope that your viewers did do that. But again, if don't be shocked if you do owe taxes.
Okay, good to know. Something to maybe save and plan for. So let's talk about other tax changes that are going into effect this year that we need to be privy to.
Sure. So one other thing I want to bring out is one neat thing under the stimulus package is contributions to a charitable organization. So in the past, they doubled the standard deduction. So really a lot of people just couldn't claim that in terms of itemizing. And so now you're able to do $300 on top of your standard deduction, which is actually pretty cool. And that's going to help out those charitable organizations. Another thing too I want to talk about is to business owners. For 2021 and 2022, what they're doing is for a tax deduction for business expenses for a meal, restaurants, that sort of thing, it used to be just 50%. Now it's 100% of a write-off. That is pretty cool. So that should help out our restaurants here locally. Another thing too to mention is for people that are retired. Required minimum distributions, you are able to defer that. So meaning you didn't have to take it last year, this year you will need to.
All right, some great advice all around as we head into tax season. Cameron McCarty, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.